Chimney's in, rocks are collected, benches are in, branches have been harvested. I think it's fair to say that we're almost done. As we leave Ashland for another time, we're going to go back up to Tacoma, go back home, maybe do a few more final things to the trailer, but for all intents and purposes, it is finished. And it's been a long time coming. On my way out of town, I have every intention of weighing the trailer again because the benches weigh something, the stove weighs 400, 500 pounds, something like that. So I'm kind of curious to get a final weight on it, just to know, just to make sure that my car can tow it safely. So that's what we're gonna do now. Jesus. Good thing I just got new brakes.
All four?
Yeah. So there, right over there is our friendly neighborhood weigh station. I don't know of any weigh stations open to the public in Washington, so I'm gonna take every opportunity to go there while I'm in Oregon. And once again, we are gonna make every effort to have only the trailer on this little scale. So I'm gonna drive over it. And then we are gonna peek. $2,500 pounds, so that's like 1,100 pounds more than before. Okay, look. The trailer is on the scale, the van is not. And the total load is 2,500 pounds, right there. So if my memory serves me, the last time I weighed it without the stove, without the benches, it was roughly 1,600 pounds. And so that's 1,100 pounds more, but it's not completely accurate because the trailer also has like tools in it and stuff. So I'm hoping there's an extra 500 pounds in there of just random junk. So, long story short, the trailer weighs between 2,000 and 2,500 pounds.